KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
We're here at KeyDigital's InfoComm 2018 booth. Going to introduce you to a brand new product of our product family. This is KeyDigital's MAX8x8. It is a 8x8 audio matrix with output preamp DSP features. Each of your 8 inputs has has analog and digital audio inputs, analog on balanced unbalanced 6-pin Phoenix connectors, and digital on PCM RCA, supporting up to 5.1 audio formats. Each of your 8 outputs is simultaneously active on analog and digital, and you can choose any of the inputs that you'd like, analog or digital. So you can actually come in with 16 available input connections and choose from those 16 connections on your 8 outputs. It is a matrix only, not a mixer, but each of the 8 outputs has a great assortment of preamp functions such as volume control, bass, mid, and high EQ, lip sync delay, which can be added up to 200 milliseconds, and muting controls. You can control all of these features over IR, RS-232, or TCP/IP, and since it is IP controllable, you can enter KeyDigital's app, the free control app, which will scan the network, find your KD-MAX8x8, and give you a pre-built GUI for controlling the switcher, complete with user-friendly names for inputs and outputs, volume controls, muting controls for each output. For more information on KD-MAX8x8, please visit our website, KeyDigital.com.